thing that we're going to do is now put your white cross on the bottom. So this is what your cube will look like once you've solved the 4 corners of the bottom layer. There are 4 corner pieces that need to be solved into their correct positions. These are the 4 corner pieces with a white sticker on them. So there's this one, this one, this one, and this one. Like with the cross, it's important to make sure that each individual corner goes into its correct position. So for example, this white, green, and orange corner piece belongs in the position between the white and green and the white and orange cross pieces. When solved, your colours will match up along the bottom layer, so this looks correct. If a corner piece is incorrectly solved, the colours along the bottom layer will not line up, as shown here. Like with the cross, we're going to solve one corner piece at a time. The first step is to locate any corner piece in the top layer. So we spotted this one. This is the white, green, and the orange corner piece. The next step is to use the top layer to place the corner piece above the position where it needs to go. In this case, this green and orange corner piece is already between the white and green and white and orange cross pieces. What we then do is make sure it's in the front right position. So the corner is in the front right top there, and where it needs to go is in the front right bottom. So holding it on this side. At this point, you'll have one of 3 cases. Either your white sticker will be facing towards you, your white sticker will be on the top there, or your white sticker will be facing to the right side over here. In this first case, we see that the white corner piece is facing towards us. If you get this case, perform the simple algorithm U, R, U prime, R prime, and that will solve your corner piece. So let's find another corner piece that belongs in the bottom layer. So remember, it's the corner pieces with the white stickers on them. Here we have one. It's the white, green, and red piece. So what we're going to do is use the top layer to bring it above where it needs to go. So it needs to go in between the white, the red, and the green centers. So rotate it like that. Now we have the case where the white sticker is facing to the right-hand side, as you can see here. Previously we had the white sticker on the front side. This case has an even simpler algorithm than if the white sticker is facing towards you. So if the white sticker is facing to the right, all you do is, remember, holding it above where it needs to go and in the front right position, perform R, U, R prime, and it'll end up where it needs to go. So we've solved those 2. Now we have another corner piece in the top layer. So let's put it above where it needs to go, like so. So it needs to go between the orange and the blue centers, this white, blue, and orange corner piece. So now we have the hardest case, which is when we have the white sticker facing the top. To solve this corner piece, we perform the algorithm R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. So it's the longest algorithm of the 3, but it's not too bad once you get used to it. Our last corner piece is located here, and it belongs here. So let's bring it above where it needs to be, over here. And remember, holding it in the front right position right here. So we have the case where the corner is facing towards us, so we can simply do the algorithm as from before, U, R, U prime, R prime. And there we go, we've solved our first layer. In some cases you might find that whilst you're trying to solve the corner pieces of the first layer, there are none on the top. This might be a case where 2 corner pieces need to swap with one another in the bottom layer, or if we have a corner in the bottom layer in its correct position but incorrectly oriented. In these situations, to simply take out the piece and move it to the top layer, all you need to do is do an R, U, R prime. This brings this piece out to the top layer. After you've solved all 4 corners, your entire first layer will now be solved. So congratulations. Once again, it's important to check that all the edge pieces and corner pieces are correctly positioned in the bottom layer, so you'll have this smooth transition around the entire outside. And look for these 4 T's as well. So the upside down T's around all 4 sides, which means you've done it correctly. The next step is to solve the edges in our middle